Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. And as you guys can see back there, we have the 1994 Toyota MR2 that we finally got running, and I'm super excited about that. So you already know what we're gonna have to do. We have to clean this thing. This thing is super dirty, so I am gonna power wash it, try to clean it up just a little bit so it looks at least a little nicer than what it looks like. Then next on the list, shortly after this video, should be kind of like an oil change and a full tune-up thing, and get this thing feeling proper. Okay guys, so let's just jump into it and let's bathe this thing. Let's go. 1 second before we start this video, we have somebody joining us today. We have Littlefoot. So here goes Littlefoot. This is my sulcata tortoise. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did have a video talking about I am a little bit of a animal geek, and this is Littlefoot. Littlefoot's about 10 years old now. I bought Littlefoot the size of a quarter. And here she goes. She usually just mows my lawn in the morning, you know, while I just sit here and just watch her. It's like an 8-hour process, but you know what? It gets done. All right, guys, we got the 94 up here. We need to get the 94 down here. I got the Bauer power washer locked and loaded. I do have some different soap that I'm going to be using. I was using them with wires, but when I bought my Lexus way back, they gave me this weird soap, and it worked really well. So it's this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and use this. It says molecular adhesion, so we're going to go ahead and use this stuff. Then I'm going to use this stuff. This is kind of like a bacteria killer, so I'm going to spray that all inside the car, and try to use this if I need to remove any stains, which I don't think I do. So guys, let's just jump into it and let's go. All right, folks, look at it. It's coming out pretty good, and we just put water on it. We literally just power washed it, and we're starting to get some type of sheen on this paint. The back doesn't count. The back is still wet, so it's gonna look great. But it's coming out, guys. It's coming out. All we're gonna do is really clean it today, and just make sure it looks tidy and proper before we start doing the maintenances that it needs. So we're gonna continue on with this, guys. This is gonna be another time lapse, so I'm gonna put you guys up high so you guys can see from an angle, and just enjoy it, guys. It's gonna be a good satisfying video. Let's go. folks, check this out. We cleaned out basically. All right, folks, check this out. We cleaned up the 1994 Toyota MR2 NA 2.2 liter. Looks pretty clean now. I mean, in my opinion, for what it was till now, I think it looks pretty fresh. Again, the body is 7 out of 10. There's a couple dings on the bottom of the door there. There's a little nick in the scoop there. You know, this fender is a little dented. I don't know what that was from. Yeah, it was from the previous owner. But that seems pretty simple to fix. Front bumper, I would just try to source a new one. That thing is looking a little weird. Unless Marco could fix it, because if Marco could fix it, then I'll keep it, because I'd rather keep original. But that's looking pretty good. This side is looking really good. Fender is looking fresh. So one thing I did notice is the bottom of this door right here definitely has rust, and I think it's metal still, but it's definitely surface rust. So nothing over here, nothing at the bottom of the rocker here. The rocker looks good. For the most part, this thing is a solid candidate for any swap. So I'm kind of curious on what I want to do with this. I might do something crazy. Who knows? I might do something different. Who knows? I got a lot in store for it. But guys, check it out. The 1994 Toyota MR2. So I guess we might be keeping this. If we do, it's going to be the OEM plus build, and this thing is going to rock, bro. This thing is going to look so good. This thing is going to be probably one of the best dailies that I've ever had once I get through with it. So, guys, until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, check out nastyaddictiongarage.com and take care of yourselves and each other. Peace, guys. Until next time.